D&D Davison, liveweatherblogs.com. Student meteorologist here with your overnight edition. Taking a look at what we have this evening. We have today a chance of severe weather, mainly in this area that I'm putting the circle around. Isolated severe thunderstorms, hail, high winds. I can't rule out an isolated tornado, but very rare shot at that. And that looks like what it's going to be for the next couple of days. On Labor Day, we see an area about right here that could be possible for an isolated severe thunderstorm also, but nothing really that we're going to see that's widespread in severe weather over the next couple of days. So when we're talking about the Davison risk factor, we're going to talk low on the Davison risk factor. For both days, I'm going to say about 60 for the wind, 40 for the hail, and 20 for the tornadoes. I'm just being a little high on the tornadoes, especially in the mountainous regions of the west. When it gets further to the east, I would say about a 15 percentile, which is an isolated percentile in the Davison risk factor. Now we're going to take a look at the tropics. Taking a look at the areas that are possible development. We got one here in the Bay of Campeche. There's going to be a low pressure develop, and it's going to actually move to the north for miles or so. We have this, which used to be Gaston. It's 80 percentile. It's going to most likely become a depression and move in this general direction over the next couple of days. We have a wide area out here in the Atlantic, and it's a very, very small chance of that happening. But if it comes further east, if we get a low to come or wave to come further east, it has a better shot when it gets further east into a better environment. Taking a look in the western part of this area, we have what I was talking about earlier, the area of disturbed weather that was a tropical depression in the Pacific that's going to move over here. You see it's a trough, it's sitting across the area. Then we have a little bit more an upper level low kicking in here, which is going to push this along, and it got a stalled front here. So this is going to help this probably breathe a little bit. Like I said, it has a possibility of becoming something more over the next day or so. What used to be Gaston is sitting right here. It has a circulation, but it doesn't have a lot of central dense overcast around the center of circulation. This is going to, even though it probably will become a depression, it's going to be a slower developer when it becomes to becoming a tropical storm. And then we have this upper level low. How will this play into what will go on with Gaston? This upper level low is pushing to the west rather fast. So if this pushes fast enough, this may lead the way for this feature, which is Gaston. We have something disturbed weather further south, lower than the 10 latitude, and that would take a lot to get focused and develop in the intertropical convergence zone and get north. So we have a few things. Like I said, a lot of dry air here near Gaston, which is one of the reasons why it's not developing as quickly. And we also have this upper level low. And you can see that with these ISO, with these wind bars going around the upper level low. So we have some stuff we got to watch here in the Atlantic Ocean. Taking a look at the European meadowset, and you can see we got a few areas here in Africa. They're going to primarily move along the intertropical convergence zone. So we have a few chances of more active weather coming through Africa over the next few days and getting into the ocean and becoming more favorable for development. Always good also to take a look at what we have here in the African continent, and you can see we have a few good waves. One here, something back here, something coming off now. This will come off a little north, but the rest of these are intertropical convergence zone, and there's what we got on. So what I'm saying is we have a good shot of these low pressure systems, especially this one. This one's pretty strong. If it can hold together in the ocean, it could become tropical and either move up the coast or move to the west through the islands. Most of the storms are going to do that over the next couple of days. So that's one to watch right there over the next few days. But I just want to like showing these images out of Africa to show where the tropical systems mainly come from these days. Now for the forecast for Roanoke Valley, and then for the Triad. In the Roanoke Valley, 54 degrees tonight, 81 tomorrow, beautiful day just like today. 52 tomorrow night. I wouldn't be surprised some of the areas in the foothills of the Blue Ridge Mountains getting into the 40s, so 85 on Labor Day, 89 on Tuesday, 91 on Wednesday, and the temperatures will be in the 50s, lows, and then into the 60s. No chance of rain at least through Thursday. Now in the Triad. Sunny throughout, 54 this evening, 81 tomorrow, 86 Labor Day, 90 on Tuesday, 92 on Wednesday, and no chance of rain once again through Thursday here in the Triad. Please also look into the area in this blog that I'm writing for the National Weather Service, saying that Roanoke area is the hottest this year, the hottest summer ever this year. They'll be adding this to the in the text part of my blog. This is Deanie Davison, liveweatherblogs.com, overnight edition. Hope you all had a great day, and have a great day into tomorrow. I'll talk to you all then. Deanie Davison, liveweatherblogs.com.